Kuze kwami uBrenda Mhlongo who's an artist. Sis Brenda,
Yep.
namhlanje ANC ibinihlanganisile as ama-artists la eCoastland. Sizwa kuthiwa lo mhlangano wakwahlala last year kwakufanele baphendule, but only now that they've decided to give some response. Are you happy with what they said?
Okay, engakusho kuqala mhlawumbe ukuthi angizange ibe nayo information before ukuthi wake wahlala ukuthi bukhona lo mhlangano, but namhlanje kuko konke abakushilo kungijabulisile and also allowing us as ama-artist ukuthi sikhulume nathi sibhodle ngaphakathi okungaphakathi kuthina nokuthi siphatheke kanjani all along. Kuyathembisa kona because uma uyi-artist fanele uhlale uhlele ethembeni in this country kahle kahle fanele uhlale usethembeni nje ukuthi hayi kogcina kwenzekile, so nako konke abakushilo namhlanje kungithembisela ukuthi hayi kuzogcina kwenzekile futhi.
Some are speaking of calculations ukuthi why this is towards ama-elections. Uthini uPaula wakho la?
Angeke ngize ngisho lutho about that. Kungenzeka ukuthi yilokho, kungenzeka futhi ukuthi kuqondanile. Angeke size sazi. Kodwa the fact of the matter is kuzokhulunywa ngama-issues athinta thina as ama-artist ukuthi afike ngoJanuary noma bawalethe ngoDecember noma bawaletha manje towards ama-elections. I don't think it's an issue right now, as long as bona lento abayishoyo ekugcineni izogcina yenzekile, nalento abayivumayo namaphutha abo as i-organization abawavumayo ukuthi yes as an organization siwenzile amaphutha bevuma besho futhi ukuthi beyibophezela ukuthi sizolungisa. Ayikulungile kuthina mina ngokwami as uBrand. Yes.
Ama-artist amaningi anokukhala mhlawumbe awi-arts industry ikwe-theatre bekhala ngokuthi over the years kune-problem makumele kufundwe ama-projects ase-theatre, whether television problem. Mhlawumbe ke wahlobelana nenkinga enjalo.
Yes, I'm a theatre person nje i-theatre ila kumina ngaphakathi kubhlungu ayikho budget for leyo nto. If kahle kahle nje uhulumeni wethu angakubhekisisa kakhulu lokho, hayi nanokuthi la kwi-province kuphela or in the city of Durban, in the country yonke as a whole. Makiwa kwi-art ake niyibuke indaba yase-theatre because nathi kukhona i-message esiyidlulisayo as ama-artist aperforma ka-theatre. So nale issue yase-Playhouse angifuni ukuyikhuluma ukuthi how can an institution emnandi enkulu kangaka ivaleke kungabi khona amathuba ethu as ama-artist awaka-theatre ukuthi siyithole leya platform ukuthi siyisebenzise siyutilize noma kanjani as ama-artist. Ubhlungu, so ngicela ungayikhulumi nje indaba yakho. Yes.
One of the things that's asikhona impela la Playhouse, we're even told ukuthi there's part of equipment that were sold.
Yabo njoba ngisho ukuthi angifuni ukuyikhuluma because it becomes sensitive and ubona ukuthi ngazi ukuthi nabantu abade beyiphethe kwayona iPlayhouse bebenganayo passion about theatre or art as a whole. Abanandaba nje nabantu nabo sebe give upile. Yindaba mabe give up abona bafuna ukudecelela phansi facility. Yindaba bengalandi laba abasaneyothando lokuyiqhubeza into ye theatre ngalendlela le efanele iqhubeke ngayo ukuthi kube yibona abayiranayo kunokuthi bathathe ngaphakathi bayidayisa. What is that? It doesn't make sense. Yabona?
Enye into sesivala nje eyikhundleni kakhulu ezithinta mhlawumbe u-art and culture, even sports sometimes. Uthola ukuthi kuzovele kubekwe umuntu oyi-politician who doesn't understand anything about that particular field and stuff. Doesn't that affect mhlawumbe ama-proceedings noma ukuqhubeka kwaleyo indaba?
I don't think kungaba affect if bengazi ukuthi as I'm a politician, and I know nothing about art, and then create a committee that is going to work nami as a politician, a leader. Inginikeze inkinga zama-artist, should i-artist elidwebayo, i-artist eliculayo, i-artist eli-actayo. Lelo committee lakhiwe yilawo ma-artist. Libe seduze kwakhe as a politician ke manje a leader. We are not saying as ama-artists sicela ukuba ama-leaders, no. but we are saying involve us mangabe nenza ama programs ethu because you know nothing about it, we know better. So hlanganisani thina nakhe ikomiti lenu elizokufida wena as a politician, a leader, ukuthi yiziphi idingo zethu as ama artists. Yes,
Sasibonga isikhathi sakho.
ngiyabonga kakhulu.